Hey guys, Noah here again. This morning I'm going to be opening up a just one box of 2020 Score. It's the first time I buy these cards. It's got 11 packs of 12 cards per pack. It's 2020. It says here all new. Look for all new retail exclusive inserts, including Tom Brady scored tribute, and unwrap the first officially licensed NFL rookie cards of the 2020 draft class. It does have some inserts. It doesn't have any odds though. It just says also look for these randomly inserted base gold, base signatures, rookie gold, rookie signatures green, huddle up, 3D gold. Like I said, it's the first time I buy these, so hopefully we'll find something good. Let's get started. I'm only gonna do one box today. I think 11 packs is a lot, so I don't want to take too much time. But here we go. These aren't, I guess, the most. This one looks fatter. Not the most high-end card, but having a few star players or rookie cards is always good. This not bad looking card. Start off with Cameron Wake, Bryce Love, Deshaun Hamilton. Oh, I think we already got something. Keanu Neal, Levante David, Tre'Davious White, and Kenny Galladay. And there's a patch card. Not bad. Good looking card. Henry Galladay of the Lions. We've got Nick Bosa, Huddle Up, Tyler Huntley, Jawan Johnson, and Terrell Lewis. Got Zach Martin, best offensive lineman in the NFL. Jerry Tillery, Desmond Trufant, Richard Sherman, Justin Tucker, Fournette. Here's a, looks like a gold, Brian Edwards, Earl Thomas, Marcus Peters. This is a Mike Evans, Jordan Love rookie card, Derek Brown, Donovan Peoples-Jones rookie card. Some nice rookie cards. Got Kerryon Johnson, Michael Gallup, Alexander Madison, Greg Zuerlein, Blake Martinez, Baker Mayfield. That's a nice picture there. Another gold, Roquan Smith of the Bears. Josh Allen. What is that? Dive? Next level, Lamar Jackson. Rookie card, Cheyenne O'Grady, A.J. Dillon, and Anthony Gordon. I am recording on a new GoPro 7 that I just got. We'll see. I'll see if I like the way it takes video or not. We got Matthew Stafford, Tajay Sharp, Marvin Jones Jr., Chandler Jones, Jacob Hollister, Shaq Lawson, Deontay Johnson, Kyler Murray. This is Game Face. In the Zone, Aaron Donald. And then the rookies, KJ Hamler, Antonio Gandy Golden, Lynn Bowden Jr. From Kentucky Wildcats. Got Marcus Mariota, Khalil Mack, Alvin Kamara, Ian Thomas, Christian Wilkins, Duke Johnson, gold, Calvin Ridley, Saints, Minnesota Vikings, Trayvon Diggs, Chase Claypool, and Grant Delpit from LSU Tigers. I think the bigger names is, of course, Joe Burrow, Let's see if we find one. Got Drew Lock, Allen Robinson, Bobby Wagner, Calvin Ridley, Will Disley, Robbie Anderson. There's Tom Brady. I want to say that's one of those Tom Brady specials, I guess. Got Shaquille Barrett, Patrick Mahomes in the zone, Zach Bond, Isaiah Simmons, and Jerry Jeudy. Hopefully he's pretty good. Hopefully he has a good season. Got Noah Fant, Zay Jones, T.J. Hawkinson, Nick Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Naheem Hines, Miles Boykin, Lamar Jackson game face. There's a nice one. Patrick Mahomes game face gold. Jake Breland, Cam Akers, and Jake from State Farm. Got Amari Cooper, Kenny Galladay, Gerald Everett, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Chris Conley, Gus Edwards, gold Tony Jones, junior rookie card, Will Fuller IV, deep dive Josh Jacobs, Joshua Kelly, Rico Dowdle, and there it is, Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow rookie card going to the Cincinnati Bengals. Not bad. Should have had my penny sleeves at least. I think that's like the third Joe Burrow I have. Taylor Lewan, David Montgomery, Michael Brockers, Trey Boston, Buda Baker, Jamie Collins, David Njoku, Darren Waller, Green Bay Packers, Yetur, Gross Matos, Desmond Patman, and Charlie Warner. Terry McLaurin, Danny Amendola, Danielle Hunter, Jameis Winston, Juju Smith-Schuster, Kalen Ballage, gold Mark Andrews, Cameron Hayward, Chris Godwin, and Thaddeus Moss, Tyler Johnson, and Noah Igbenogene. And the last pack. So this is gonna be the last one, guys. Let me know what you think of these cards. I don't know. I guess the best card for now is the Joe Burrow and this patch card of Kenny Galladay, Hunter Renfrow, Hakeem Nicks, Jair Alexander, Teddy Bridgewater, Darius Slay, Carlos Hyde, Stephon Gilmore, another Tom Brady, Mark Andrews gold. All right, we got CeeDee Lamb, Zach Moss, and the last card is a Nate Stanley. So yeah, not bad. I guess we got some good player cards, good rookie cards. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think about these cards? And if you're interested and want to see more videos, I'm going to try to do these as often as I can. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like. I would appreciate that. And see you next time.